Hi, welcome to ADI Technical Training. I'm Matthew. In this video, we're looking at the Hikvision, the Smart Pro series of readers. We're going to look at how to set up and configure the reader and how to connect that to a Paxton Net2 ACU. So let's begin with the Net2 software. Okay, so we've logged into the software. Let's go to the door we're going to work on. I've just got a single door for test purposes. Already named it. So first of all, we need to change the reader type. So Paxton, being clock and data, we need to change that to a weekend reader. A keypad type, not applicable. Token format data, 26-bit, which is correct. We can list it with site code if we want to, but in this instance, we're just going to leave it as 26-bit. The token type. So let's start with having this as a desktop reader. And then we can enroll somebody in once we've configured the reader to work. So desktop reader, yes. And then don't forget to, oh, it's already applied. Okay, so now we need to configure the reader. Let's have a look at the drawing for the reader. On the back of the reader, you'll find the dip switch settings for the reader. We need to change this to a weekend reader, as per the Net2 interface. And we're going to change it to 26-bit. You can set it as 34 if you like. So you can see here that basically means we need to switch on dip switches 6 and 7. When you look at the dip switch block on the back of the reader, it says on at the top and 1 equals on. So 6 is weekend, switch on, 7 is 26-bit, switch on. Okay, back to the Net2 software. If you remember, we left this in desktop reader mode. So this will behave like a desktop reader now. So if I present a user card to the reader, you might hear the reader beep in the background, and it will come up with the credential details. So let's give that a try. Presented. Token numbers populated. So we just need to give it a name. Let's call this ADI Global. Department, I've not set departments up. Access level, all doors, all hours. And we'll add that user. If I was to present the card again now, nothing would happen. As you can see, it would come up with the user details I've already created. It won't grant access to the door. So what we need to do is go back to main door and change that from a desktop reader to a token only, and then apply. And now if we go to events and we present the card, access granted. So there we go. The simple and short way of setting up a Hikvision reader on Net2. So let's look at the electrical connections. Here's your Net2 ACU. Power at the top, positive at the top, negative at the bottom. Data 0, the yellow terminal, data 1, the blue terminal. And how that relates to the reader is red is 12 volts, so red to the top terminal, black is ground, 0 volts to the bottom terminal. Data 0, weekend 0 is green, so that would go to the yellow terminal. Data 1 is white, so that would go to the blue terminal, and you can see it actually says in brackets data 0, data 1. Installers rely on ADI. The ADI projects and technical teams offer a pre-configuration service. Any project size from a single device or to a complex system. Any IP device can be configured from our central hub using our technical and projects teams. Having your device pre-configured will save engineers time on site. We can set your IP address, the gateways, and in addition, we'll make sure your device has the latest firmware on board. Simply get in touch with your ADI sales contact or email the projects team. Thanks very much for watching. All the products mentioned in this training video can be found on our website. Links are below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks very much.